Ever wondered how cloud networking works? How it's possible to access files and applications from any corner of the world? Welcome to the fascinating world of cloud computing. Imagine a vast network of servers, all interconnected. These servers store and manage data, run applications, and deliver content and services over the internet. This is the basic concept behind cloud computing. But it's not just about storage. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way businesses operate and people live. It has been a key player in enabling remote work, online learning, and a host of other internet-based services. Now, let's break this down a bit. Cloud computing is based on three main models: Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS. Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, is like renting a house. You have the infrastructure, the servers, storage, and networking hardware, but you need to manage and maintain it. Platform as a Service, or PaaS, is like renting a furnished apartment. The infrastructure and the platform software are provided, and you just need to focus on your application. Software as a Service, or SaaS, is like using a public library. The infrastructure, platform, and software are all managed by the service provider. You just use the software over the internet. Next, let's talk about cloud providers. These are the companies that offer cloud computing services. The big players in the market are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. They offer a range of services, from basic storage to complex machine learning algorithms. Finally, we come to cloud networking. This is the backbone of cloud computing. It involves the design, planning, and management of the network that connects the cloud services to the users. It ensures that data moves efficiently and securely between the cloud and the user. In a nutshell, cloud networking is the highway that connects you to the cloud. It's complex, but it's also fascinating. So to summarize, cloud computing is a vast network of servers that store and manage data, run applications, and deliver content and services over the internet. It's based on three main models: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. The major cloud providers are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. And cloud networking is the backbone that connects the cloud services to the users. It's a complex world, but it's also a world that has revolutionized the way we live and work. So, the next time you access a file from your phone, remember you're using the power of the cloud.